How to get 60% off Frontier Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Frontier Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com, as this is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Frontier. Once you're on the website, you can just scroll down and check out the offers. 75% off, 20% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Frontier Airlines. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight and proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over here, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers for Frontier Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, you can head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. So this way you can easily get up to 60% off Frontier Airlines coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.